Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Seller Central step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Seller Central, start by navigating to the Amazon Seller Central website. Click on the Register Now button on the homepage. Select the Selling on Amazon option that best suits your business model. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Provide your business name and legal name. Enter your email address and create a password for your account. Choose your country and select your business type. If applicable, enter your business registration number. Next, provide your bank account information for payments. Include your credit card details to set up payment for selling fees. Complete the identity verification process by uploading the required documents. Submit the registration form to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Amazon. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Log into Amazon Seller Central using your newly created credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your seller profile. Fill in your business information, including your address and contact details. Set your return policies and shipping settings based on your preferences. Configure your inventory settings to manage your listings effectively. Once your account is fully set up, you're ready to start listing your products. Take time to explore the various tools and resources available within Seller Central to enhance your selling experience. Now that your registration is complete, you can begin your journey as an Amazon seller. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.